Hi, in this video I want to show you how to convert 42 inches to centimeters. It's gonna be very easy. Just follow the steps until the end of this video. This is the formula that we are going to use in order to convert inch to centimeters. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Okay, we will remember that. Now, here comes a question. 42 inches equals how many centimeters? That's the question. And here come the solution. First, in the very first step, just write again the question, and after that, just write again the formula. Both of these numbers you can see from previous minutes of the slides of this video. And after that, just write again the formula. This is the most important steps of this video. Just write again the formula from here and here. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. And after that, from the question you have 42. Now you need to multiply this number with 42. Okay, now you have 42 here as well. You must put it here because you want to make it equals. Now 42 times 1 inch. Alright. Now 42 times 1 inch equals 42 inch, and 2.54 centimeters times 42 equals 106.68 centimeters. And that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching. You can comment anything. Just say thanks or anything. You can put it in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will feel really thankful if you can do that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video is really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section, and you can see whatever you want and click and comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.